Today we are making mashed potato sticks. These are garlicky and super crispy. We are making them using Nutricook Air Fryer too. Take boiled potatoes in a bowl, add in some coriander, salt, red chili powder, dried garlic, mozzarella cheese and cornstarch. Mix and knead into a dough. Now roll out the dough and cut out its edges. Using a knife or a cutter, cut it into fries or sticks. Then start the air fryer. It is always advisable to preheat the air fryer before making any recipe. As soon as you hear the beep sound, pull out the basket and place the fries in it. Then, air fry the fries using fries mode and press the start button. The air fryer gives a shake reminder. At this stage, pull out the basket, shake the fries and insert the basket again in the air fryer. Once the fries are ready, serve them with your favorite dip and enjoy them guilt-free.